Hi boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you what you need to know in order to successfully complete your exit ticket requirements for this task. You're going to get a template that looks very much like this. So I'm going to explain to you what goes in each section. To start this circle, you're going to want to glue your animal picture here. Remember, on your activity list, you're supposed to find a picture online and send it to your teacher so she can print it out. Once you've done that, you'll have it to glue here. The next step would be to write the name of your animal in this little box here. Once you're finished with that, you're going to write what you want your learner to do on these lines here. Think of it like how you guys do exit tickets in class. You do learning, you practice, and then a lot of times your teacher asks you for an exit ticket. So when you're at this point, now you've done your research, you've taught somebody else about the animal you've learned all about. Now you're kind of wanting to quiz them or see if they really learned something from all of your good research. That's what you're going to put here. Let me show you an example. So let's say this was my exit ticket and my report was on hippopotamus. I would glue my picture here. I'd write the name of my animal, hippopotamus. And then I would write some sort of an exit ticket that I want my learner to go and do now that they've learned about the animal I've researched. So I might say something like, now that you have learned about hippos, write 2 facts about hippos and draw and label a picture of a hippo. That would let me know if my reader really paid attention to all of my research and read my report and really understood what I taught them. Because I would know if they were able to tell me 2 facts and if they were able to draw and label the hippo. If you guys have any trouble, you can ask an expert in your classroom or sign up on your help board for your teacher. Good luck!